Hi, friends and family. Welcome back to Caribbean G03. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you join the family. OMG, guys, I have something for you. You can see from the thumbnail. Anyway, welcome into my kitchen. Today, I'm making a quick, flavorful, wait for it, smoked turkey stew. Yes, you heard that right. It's a one-pot smoked turkey stew. Perfect for meal prep for this week. Oh, guys, I'm so looking forward to that. I am so excited about this one. Oh, I wanted turkey. I wanted stewed turkey. I went to the store and they didn't have no fresh turkey, cut turkey, but they had smoked turkey. So I was like, okay, I've never done smoked turkey like that. But anyway, oh guys, I'm supposed to be the introduction. Everything is made completely from scratch. As usual, now you know exactly what's in your pot, guys. The best part, you can make this ahead of time and freeze it for next time. Good luck on that one. If you enjoy homemade Caribbean cooking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start cooking. Looking forward to this one. Yes. Okay, we're starting off with my usual coconut oil. Guys, you can use any oil that you have. Coconut oil is just one of my favorite. Starting with the onions, saute the onions and the peppers. Like I said in the introduction, I am so looking forward to this. OMG, guys. Okay, now I'm adding my garlic, my chopped garlic. Oh. And guys, when I wasn't able to find the raw turkey legs and found the smoked turkey, OMG, guys, that sent me on another spin all by itself. Here I'm adding the tomato paste. Okay, so now I'm adding my carrots. These are medium chopped carrots. Oh guys, yes, and I will be leaving the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. Okay guys, this is where you say, where I normally would tell you your pot, your rules, because normally they don't put cocoa in there. So now I'm going to use some chicken broth to deglaze the bottom of the pot and get all that good font on the bottom there, all that flavor, guys, in the turkey stew. But I can't help myself. This is one of my favorite between potatoes and cocoa. Now I'm adding the chicken broth. Ooh, guys, when I tell you I send this up a notch, oh Lord of mercy. Woo. Okay, this is where the Caribbean part come in. Between the coconut oil and using cocoa instead of potatoes. Yes. Now I'm adding that was chicken seasoning I just put in there. Flavor of this chicken seasoning. I've been using it a lot. As I said, your pot, your rules. Hey, what worked for you? Whatever you have in your kitchen, do you, boo. That's my garlic powder. It's just flavor, guys, just flavor. Okay, so now I'm putting in the smoked turkey. Lord, guys, oh man, I can tell you, this was so interesting. But I could not wait, so I think I had 2 smoked turkey legs that they had chopped up in here. I add a little bit more chicken broth in there, and now I'm gonna cover it and put it in the oven to finish cook. Okay, so now that it's off the oven, oh, let me taste to check if I need to add any more salt in there or whatever spice I need to add in there. Ooh, Lord, guys, it is good. So now I'm just gonna. Okay, I made a roux with cornstarch and water to thicken the gravy a little bit. Oh Lord, I wish if you guys can smell this. Ooh. And it tastes so good. Oh, it is. Oh, it tastes so good, guys. Okay, I'm planning to have this with some jasmine rice. That's the cocoa, guys. Oh Lord. Okay, guys, it is done. All right, family, just like that, this delicious one pot smoked turkey stew is all done. Full of flavor and easy to make. Oh my God, guys, it is perfect for this week. Woo! And don't forget, you can always make extra and freeze it because I know you will. So guys, you will. Thank you so much for spending time with me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss my other video. Drop a comment below and let me know if you will try this one, and I know you will. So I'm waiting for the comments. Until next time, take care and happy cooking. Stay safe and God bless you guys. See you guys in my next video.